If you know you have a research case, do not throw it away. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it actually feels so good to be back. Thank you so much for the love on my last video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my not so little space. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe. Today's video is going to be a DIY trash to treasure. If you know you have a research case, do not throw it away. Trust me, you are going to be needing it for this DIY and you're going to love it. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I love to creating it. Let's get right into the video. For this tutorial, you'll be needing a wristwatch case. I've had this for like 2 years. Thank God I didn't throw it away because now it's useful. Then the Edison bulb. This bulb is everything, trust me. Next on the list we have the towel rods, then glue gun, the glue sticks, and lamp holder. These are the supplies you need for this DIY. I started placing the towel rods around the four corners of the case. I did this so I could have a guide of how many rods I wanted to have on the case. So as you can see, I am just starting from the first corner and gluing the dowel rods down. Make sure you press it down because if you don't, they're just going to start removing after, and that's a lot of stress and you're not ready to stress yourself, right? So you do all this first. After the four corners, then you can move to every other part. Make sure you press it down, don't rush. After I was done with the corners, I started placing 3 rods in between them. As you can see in the video, that's the first rod I placed there, then the second I'm about to glue down, and I had the third one. I did this for the other sides, 3 rods in between the corner rods. If you get, make sure you are pressing these rods down. Make sure you are doing that because if you don't do it, you're just going to see everything removing one after the other. In total, I had 16 rods around the casing and I'm still gluing down, so we're going to speed up the process. Yes. So guys, I am done gluing and this is what it looks like. Yes, there I coming through. So guys, I am creating a hole at the bottom part of the case for the wire to pass through. If you are wondering why I'm using scissors and knife, please don't come for me because I didn't have anything else to use to create the hole, so my knife and my scissors. I passed the wire through and I started fixing in the lamp holder and connecting the wires. Guys, oh, I didn't know what I was doing because I actually forgot what the guy told me to do. The guy I bought the bulb from, I actually forgot what he told me to do, but I kept on doing it because I was not going to stop this DIY at this point. After I was done connecting the wires, I attached my lamp holder and placed my bulb on it. Right now guys, I'm just pulling out the wire and having only the lamp holder stay in the box. Guys, you have to be careful. So guys, this is what we have now. Yes, I sprayed the top of the case because I wasn't feeling the brand name. I didn't want it to show. Thanks to my Instagram fam for helping me decide. At this point guys, your girl's heart was doing bish bish bish
because we're about to test this thing, guys. So let's do it together, okay? Ta-da! Oh my god, guys, at this point I wanted to cry. I was screaming like, yo, this came out the exact way. So guys, this is what it looks like during the day. Like, I am so happy. Then at night, guys, this is what it looks like. So beautiful. Like, guys, this DIY made me cry. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you guys for watching. Do let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you. See you guys in my next video.